Hello everyone, welcome to Chemical Engineering Education. Let us begin today's reactor simulation problem. In this video, we will simulate a Continuous Stirred Tank Reactor or CSTR in DWSIM for the liquid phase production of acetic acid from acetic anhydride. The reaction involves acetic anhydride reacting with water to form acetic acid, and the reactor operates under steady state isothermal condition. Liquid phase non-ideality is accounted for using the NRTL thermodynamic model. The feed stream enters the reactor at a mass flow rate of 100 kg per hour with an mole fraction of water and acetic anhydride at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 bar pressure. The CSTR has a volume of 0.1 cubic meters and the reaction follows a concentration based kinetic rate law. Here reaction kinetics is R is equal to 𝐶𝐴𝐶𝑊 and rate constant K is equal to 12 liter per mole second. The objective of this simulation is to determine the conversion of acetic anhydride and the outlet composition using DWSIM. Let us now proceed with the DWSIM simulation. Now here I am opening DWSIM software. Here is the screen of DWSIM. In this screen, as I am going to simulate steady state simulation, so I am clicking create new. So it will open simulation configuration wizard. So introduction part I don't have to do anything. So then I click next, and here I have to add the component. So here our component is water as a reactant, then I have added that, and then acetic anhydride and acetic acid. So here I am added acetic acid and acetic anhydride. So then I don't have to do any other thing, so I am clicking next. Then here I have to select NRTL thermodynamic model, means property packages. So here I am adding that. Okay, then I am clicking next. Here I am just choosing that customize unit C5. I don't have to do any other thing. Then I am clicking next. So here also I don't have to do any other thing for behavior, and undo redo I don't have to do any other thing. So I am doing I'm clicking finish. So now here first I am setting the kinetics. So first I am setting kinetics, so I am just clicking settings, then going to the reaction. So and here, so I am adding the kinetics. So in that kinetics, so I am writing some name, some acetic acid production, acetic acid production. Okay, then here description, water and acetic acid anhydride acetic anhydride. Okay, now here I am including water, acetic acid and acetic anhydride. So here base component I am taking acetic anhydride. So now stoichiometric coefficient here, so 1, okay, and this is also I think 1, and then I will put the product is 2. I think okay, so here I have to put 1. Okay, now you can see the equation is balanced. Now here I am doing the direct order simulation. So here I am putting 1 and 1 because CW and CA, K, CA and CW. So I am putting that direct order simulation. Okay, so now that kinetic reaction parameter base component acetic anhydride. So here I am taking that molar concentration. Okay, now here it will start from 0. Okay, I don't have to do anything. The phase is liquid phase. Here I am choosing mole per liter. Okay, and then reaction specification simple. Now here the direct reaction. So I am using user defined because it is depend on maybe the temperature. So here I am putting 12. I don't have to do any other things. Now here rate units I am choosing that mole liter second. Okay, then I'm clicking OK. So now I have setting the kinetics. Now here I'm just inactive the solver right now. So first I'm taking the reactor. Reactor is CSTR. Okay, so CSTR here I am changing the name as a inlet stream. Inlet stream, then enter, and then this is our outlet stream. Or outlet stream, or I can use product. Okay, then enter. Okay, now here I'm input the inlet stream condition. So inlet stream condition, if you see here, so that is composition is 50-50 and total mass is 100 kg and temperature 25, pressure 1 bar. So temperature 25, pressure I am just changing 1 bar, and then mass flow rate I think, and then okay, then composition 50-50. So now here I am going to that okay, so here I am going to component, so that is 0.5 water and acetic anhydride 0.5, and inlet there is a no acetic acid. Okay, so now total of the mole fraction if you add, that will be 1. So now here I am accepting. Okay, now inlet is done, and then in CSTR, so in CSTR you can see here the reactor volume is 0.1 meter cube. So reactor volume I am putting 0.1 meter cube. So here inlet stream product everything is mentioned, and that calculation mode, so our CSTR is isothermal condition, so I am putting isothermic. So I think I don't have to do any other things. Now I am active the solver and then solve. So my solution has done. Now you can check the conversion. So here that water and acetic anhydride, just 99.7% conversion is happening. So now I want to see what will be my product, everything. So here everything is given. So now I am going to properties table, insert master property table. So here I will see all these things. So before that I am doing something. So here I am choosing inlet and inlet and product, then temperature, pressure, mass flow rate, molar flow rate, and then here I'll choose the composition, everything. So first water, molar fraction, then molar flow or mass flow, okay, and then acetic acid molar fraction, then molar flow and mass flow. Similarly, acetic anhydride molar fraction, and then molar flow and mass flow. Then okay, now I got all this information. So here, so I am closing this and this. So my window will be bigger, or maybe I can, okay, so I can choose here. Okay, so now here okay, so here the temperature is 25 degrees centigrade, mass flow is 100, and that product and steam both 100 molar, this molar flow rate 1.66, inlet and the product, as well as here molar flow, that water here. So if you inlet, so molar fraction is 0.5, so molar flow is 0.8, okay, and that if you convert to kilomole to kg, so that is 14.99, like 15 kg. Again, molar fraction of acetic anhydride, that is 0.5, that acetic acid is 0 in inlet, and that molar flow rate is 0.8326 kilomole per hour, and here you can see the acetic acid that molar flow rate, so that is 1.66032, okay, and then that mole fraction of acetic acid is where is that? Here 0.997058. okay, so nearly 99.7058 is the conversion. So I hope you understood how to simulate the acetic anhydride to acetic acid in CSTR. So if you like my video, please subscribe, and if you have any doubt, anything, please make comments. Thank you for listening.